Welcome to Easy Crypto Bytes. You're new to crypto. You're in the right place. I know when you come into crypto, when you first start, it's just so overwhelming. It can be super overwhelming, and there's so much information out there. What do you do? What do you need to know to get started in crypto and get your first crypto purchased? And that's what I'm going to tell you today in this video. First of all, if you're brand new to crypto, you need to install a wallet. Okay, you need to install a wallet and secure it. Now, I've got another video. It's called What is a Crypto Wallet? That will explain the basics of what a crypto wallet is. If you're not sure what a wallet is, go watch that video. But after you install your wallet, next you need to open an exchange account. Now, an exchange account is an account such as crypto.com, um, coinbase.com, Uphold, Kraken. These are exchanges where you can actually go onto these exchanges and purchase crypto. Now, you got to be careful with exchanges. And I have learned the hard way that I don't keep anything on exchanges. Once I purchase my crypto, I take it off the exchange and put it in my wallet. But crypto exchanges are very good for purchasing crypto, or if you want to trade crypto. I do not hold my crypto on exchanges. I do not recommend you hold your crypto on exchanges. None of this is financial advice. This is just my experiences, what I've learned, my knowledge that I want to share with you and kind of try to give you a head start and give you a hand up that I didn't have when I first started. So once you get your wallet downloaded and installed on your phone or on your PC, on your computer, and then once you get your exchange account opened with one of those exchanges I mentioned, next you need to decide which crypto to purchase. Now, this is where the research comes in. You've got to know what you're looking for, and this can be a daunting task. You have to do that research, and there's no substitute for research, for studying and figuring out what you think is a good investment for you, because it's different for everybody. Some people are willing to have a higher risk. Some people don't want the risk. So there's different ways you can go about deciding what crypto you believe is best. Now, I have some recommendations that I really believe in, and I got videos for that, and you can go and watch my videos for that, and you can decide for yourself if you agree with me or don't agree. If you agree, then I'll show you how to purchase those on the exchanges and what exchanges you can purchase those coins on. Okay, so once you have those three steps taken care of, then the last step is you want to transfer that crypto off of that exchange as soon as possible, ASAP. Do not keep your crypto on exchanges. I mean, even super large exchanges. We had FTX was the second largest exchange in the world when it collapsed, and so you just don't know what's going to happen with an exchange. Now, do I trust certain exchanges? Yeah, Coinbase, these ones that have been around for years and years, I trust them to a certain degree. But do I trust any exchange 100%? Absolutely not. Because you just never know. You just don't know. And if your coins and your crypto is on an exchange, it's not yours. So there's a saying in crypto, not your keys, not your coins. And this is so true. If your crypto is on an exchange, that exchange holds the keys to those wallets. You don't. And that exchange owns those coins effectively. If that exchange goes down, you may never see those coins again. Unless you're doing active trading, you want to keep that crypto in your own private wallet. These are the first steps you want to take getting into crypto. You want to install a wallet and secure it. Make sure you get it secured. You want to open an exchange account so that you can purchase crypto easily. You want to decide which cryptos you want to purchase, and then as soon as you purchase them, pull them off that exchange, keep them, put them safely into your wallet. Now, if you're new to crypto and you think to yourself, I don't know how to do any one of these steps, well, you're in the right place. Subscribe to Easy Crypto Bytes, this channel, and I'll leave links below. And I've got videos that outline detail by detail how to do each of these steps, and we'll get you started into crypto and get you buying your first crypto as easy as possible. All right, you have a great day. Thank you for watching this video, and thank you for liking and subscribing. Easy Crypto Bytes out.